I thought a good idea for what we might do today is I want to take you through kind of what's going on in my brain right now. This week, I mean, we all know we've been working at home for the past couple weeks, but I feel like the past couple weeks I've been doing a really good job about it. This week, I feel like I just put it off, and I haven't been doing as good of a job about getting my work done. And I was sitting here today, like, drinking my coffee, watching YouTube. It's nearly 10 a.m. and I haven't done any work yet. So what I did, and I do this every week. This is, let me turn my camera around. So I have this, I don't even remember now where I got it, but you can find these really anywhere. Has each day of the week, and then I just write down some of my to-do things that I want to get done that day. And so I've crossed off quite a bit, but as you can see, like on Tuesday, I still have about 4 things I didn't get to. Same on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So what I did is I compiled all the things that I haven't done yet this week that were on my to-do list on a separate note, like a Post-it note, I guess that's what that's called. And then I divided it by time. So right now it's 9:40. I'm going to finish this YouTube video because, I mean, come on, she's hilarious. It's Raw Beauty Christy. If you don't know, you need to go watch her. Love her. But by 10 a.m., I want to at least get some skincare done, wash my face, and then perhaps put on some makeup, some different clothes to get ready for the day. I always find if I'm ready and makeup on, I am so much more productive. So I'm hoping that trick works for today as well. By 10:30, I have some house chores that I need to get done that I didn't get done this week. So clean out my cat box. I want to vacuum. And look at this brand new vacuum I got. So can't wait. I'm actually really excited about that one. I want to clean out the microwave, and I need to water my plants. I shouldn't have to put that on a to-do list. I should just naturally do that, but that's the state we are in. Allowing myself an hour break for lunch. At 12:30, I want to do some actual teacher work. So I want to get done my slideshow presentation for my next week assignments. I'm thinking about doing a separate video about what I've been doing as a teacher, how I've been organizing it. And then I have some things I need to grade on Seesaw, which is kind of our online learning website that we use. 1:30, I want to go on a walk with Swayze, my dog. We'll see how the weather is. And then at 2, I want to sit down and finish any grading of Seesaw that I didn't get done before, or any of my next week assignments that I haven't gotten done, because I have a feeling that hour there, I'm probably not going to finish it all. But I want to go on a walk and kind of break that up, and then get back and finish it, and then however long that takes, get it done, so that then this weekend I can fully relax and not be stressing about all the things I didn't do. is now about 10:24, so I am pretty on time. I did my skincare and I got ready for the day. So I'm gonna this is really hard with one hand, cross that off. Next on here from 10:30 to 11:30, I have clean the cat box, vacuum, clean my microwave, and water the plants. Honestly, that's probably not going to take me a full hour. We'll see what ends up happening. If it doesn't end up taking me the full hour, I might find a couple more house chores to do until lunchtime, or just eat lunch early. I don't know. We'll see what I get up to. But with these four things, I'm going to do my least favorite first, and then finish with what I enjoy the most. Clean the cat box is probably my least favorite. So I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to clean the microwave. I keep reading it as microwave plants the way I wrote it, but it's not. So I'm going to clean the microwave, then water the plants, and then I love to vacuum. So I'll finish with the vacuum and show you my new vacuum cleaner. It's like a Dyson knockoff that I found on Amazon. So we'll see if it works. So yeah, we're going to start the cat box. I'm probably not going to show you me clean the cat box because that's gross. But you'll probably see me clean the microwave, plants, and vacuum. Alright, so I have the litter box taken care of. Now I need to clean out the microwave. We have an old microwave that's down in the basement that we're not using anymore that I need to clean out because we're giving it to someone. So I have like the tray that was inside of that one, and then I'm going to take out the tray that is inside of this one, and I'm going to clean those just by hand. I have this Everspring all-purpose cleanser in citrus and basil. I think it's just at Target. It's a Target brand, I think. And I'm going to use that to clean out the inside and the door. So we're moving and grooving. After this, water the plants. This guy can thrive with weeks of no water. Like, he is just my type of plant. I mean, look at him. I don't remember the last time I watered him, and he just keeps growing, so I'm gonna water him, but he honestly doesn't need it. This is my finicky plant. I need to repot him. Maybe I'll add that to my list today. I'm kind of feeling in the mood. I need to get some like soil, but I could totally do that. It looks like it's budding some flower. Okay, see, this is the deal with this plant. When I forget about it, it makes flowers. Can one of you tell me? Whoa, so now it's like, do I water it? That sounds familiar. I remember my grandma saying something about you want to like stress the plant, and then that's when they bloom. Maybe I need to call her and ask her. So now I don't know if I should water it. Maybe I'll just give it a little bit, right? Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home? So I just had my lunch. I had a PB&J, some hummus and carrots, a cheese stick, and a smoothie. And I just ate it. It's almost 1 o'clock. So I ended up sitting down at about like 11:20 and just kept working on work stuff for next week. And I almost got it knocked out. And now that I ate lunch, I'm feeling kind of sleepy, but I'm going to try to power through, maybe go fix me another cup of coffee. And then, let's go find my list and see what else I need to get done for today. I want to say I am feeling pretty good. So, let's see. Next on here, go on a walk. It's a little cold outside, so I'm not really feeling that. And then maybe I'll do No, I'm not. I was going to say maybe I'll do a little bit of a home workout, but I'm not. So the only other thing left on my list was to do or to grade my seesaw assignments, which I kind of already started a little bit, but I definitely didn't finish. So proud of myself. It just takes writing things down and getting up, a little bit of caffeine, getting up and moving. That's it, I think, for this vlog. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I do when I feel like I am just stuck there and I can't get anything done. You just kind of have to write it down and just get going. And I do like to start with doing my least favorite chore first and then ending with the chores that I enjoy. So, like, I enjoy vacuuming. I enjoy taking care of my plants. I honestly even enjoy doing my lesson planning and stuff for next week. But when I have this whole list of like other things that I also don't like, it makes it really hard for me to just get started on something. So having that list and then just prioritizing what to get done first and then just doing it helps me. So it's 1:00 on Friday, and yeah, I might just edit this video now and put it up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Go watch my other vlogs that I had before this and comment down what else you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.